look, this is one of the situations you have to avoid. Um, I guess the trailer is too heavy, and he didn't hook up right because it's too heavy. When he pull it out, when he pull it out, um, the trailer is too heavy. You could pull it out, but in this, and then when it goes here, in that section right there, you might lose the trailer. If the fifth is not hooked properly, that's what happened. Look, that's what happened. Now he have to go forward and then come back and hook it up the fifth. I did this video just for you guys. Look, I'm in a dangerous place. So make sure that you got the fifth properly hooked. Trata de tener la quinta bien, que te asegures bien que sonó bien, y antes de salir, jalar y volver estos espejos, muy importante. Jalar y volver a asegurarte de que está enganchada.